evening today. My name is Chris Gault. I am the author of My Journey to the Fountain of Youth, and it's a book that you can get on Amazon that's all about getting healthy and staying healthy as you age in life. And today what I wanted to do is talk about my breakfast smoothie that I make. I probably will drink this about 5 times during the week, and I just want to show you what's in there. So let's get to it. So I start with coconut water, and everything I use is organic. So this is a coconut water, is the fluid that I will put in. Just pour that in. I might need more later. Let's see. I will put in, the base is going to be spinach and kale. And that's just going to make your skin glow. It's going to make you feel great. It's just going to make you feel really, really good inside having that. Blueberries for the antioxidants, blackberries, raspberries, and if I don't have strawberries on me, but sometimes I'll throw strawberries in as well. I put a banana in there. So it looks like a lot of fruit, but it's just a little bit of each one, so I'm not getting too much sugar, but I'm getting a great benefit from all these great fruits. I put a little squirt of lemon in. And I know this sounds weird, but I'm going to throw in a piece of turmeric and a piece of ginger. And I don't take the skins off because I'm lazy, but if you want to take the skins off, you're probably better off. But I do wash them. I do scrub them with a vegetable brush. That goes in. I'm going to throw in some walnuts. I'm going to throw in some almonds. And I use the raw kind. I don't get the roasted salted one. I get the raw, unsalted organic almonds. That's what's going to be good for you. And I forgot, but I'm going to also put in 3 tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes. And the last thing I'm going to throw in there is a scoop of Shakeology. You can put in any protein powder, whatever your favorite protein powder is, but I like to get some protein in too. So I'm going to throw a scoop of that in, and then I'm just going to blend this all up, and if it doesn't blend, I'm going to put some more coconut water in there. Alright, and then I'm just going to, I usually have to get something kind of big, so I got this from, my son actually went to Ridge Ski Academy and got this for me. So thank you, Ridge Academy and my son. And I'm just going to pour it in there. And now I have this great breakfast drink that's really going to give me energy and make me feel great. It's going to make my skin glow. It's going to make me feel great all day long. And it tastes pretty good too. So you should give it a try. Thanks, and just keep tuning in. I'm going to have great videos every week, and I will see you next time. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.